know what the fox says, but what does the dog say besides woof?
Dog goes woof.
Hi, I'm Leigh Scheps with Buzz 60, and we could soon know what man's best friend is really thinking. No More Woof is a headset for dogs that claims to analyze the animal's thought patterns and spell them out in human language using a loudspeaker.
The No More Woof, a completely non-intrusive small device sealed within a hard plastic shell.
The prototype includes phrases in English like, "I'm hungry," "I'm curious," "Who is that?" and
"Who are you?"
What about, "Why did you get steak and I get kibble?" or, "I know it's your